Hello dear students, welcome to template 22 of class 7th bridge course. The learning outcome of this course is the students will be able to identify sentences, statements, exclamation, questions and commands or orders. There are some instructions for teachers, parents and facilitators. The instructions for students are that they should read the lesson 2.3 An Invisible Bench of Standard 6th textbook page number 33, 34, 35 and grandpa tells a story page number 18. Okay, so we will revise such type of sentences. You have already learned these sentences last year and I will tell you in short what is meant by statement, exclamation, questions and commands or orders with the help of some examples. Statement: I am a girl, this is a ball, she is going to market. So these are simple sentences. So these are called statements. Now exclamation sentences, exclamatory. How beautiful the flower is. What a big building it is. How huge elephant it is. And you can see an exclamation mark at the end of the sentence. Okay? Now the third type is questions. प्रश्न पूछा जाता है. What are you doing? How are you? Can you play? So these are questions. Now the next type is commands. Stand up if some work is allotted to the another person. Don't shout. Give me a glass of water. So these are called commands. In the learning activity, make two groups X and Y. Select 4 students from each group and distribute strips of type of statements along with only naming to X group. Distribute the types of sentences which have sentences and give to Y group. Y group stands in the form of a circle, for example circle X, circle X group and Y group. Rings a poem on mobile. Students of both circles starts to run. When music of poem stops, then check as their partner having same strips with type of sentences and strips with having sentences of type with symbol. That pair is winner pair. They read sentences and sign. So this game can be played in the class. Now due to this pandemic it is not possible, but still we can play this game in the class. Now here one solved activity is given. For example, both pairs having strips like X group, Y group. I like my school. So in this way you can play the game, students. Extension activity group X search sentences of types of sentences from standard 7th textbook. Group Y make strips of their sentences with signs. They can play this game with the help of that strips. Evaluation like what do you like? I like mango. In this type you can play any game, but for that you have to prepare sentences, statements, questions, commands and exclamatory sentences. So students, the main thing is that you have to identify the statements or types of sentences from textbook, invisible bench, grandpa tells a story, what type of sentences those are, and then you can play that game. So what did you learn today? You learned various sentences as I have given some examples. Identify it. So students, now this is your work. Invisible bench and grandpa tells a story. These 2 lessons you have to identify all the sentences. Thank you very much.